Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Google Chrome profile picture. So on Google Chrome, your profile picture is going to be up at the top right hand corner where your name is. Now if you're wondering how to change your avatar, that's going to be this little one. And the only way to do that is to click on it, go to the little customize profile button, which is looks like a little pencil. And then all you have is you have these little avatars you can pick. You can't customize it any more than that, but if you're actually talking about this, you can change this. So you're just going to click on that, click the letter or whatever other picture you have, and then also go to the pencil icon. Click on that, and then once you have this open, your profile picture, down below it says add profile picture, so click on that and then you can choose Google Photos from your computer or illustrations. Today I'm going to be doing an illustration, so let's just say I want my picture to be this hat. So I'm just going to click on this hat. It's going to give me a pop-up, and let's say that looks good and that's what I want my profile picture to be. I'm just going to click on next, save as profile picture. And once it's saved, there we go, it's done. So now my new picture is of that hat. I hope this video helps you. Let me know if it did, and I'll see you in the next Google Chrome tutorial. Have a good day. Bye.